Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Itami Airport, whose official name is Osaka International Airport. Itami Airport is an airport that is used for domestic flights in Japan. It's located in the northern part of Osaka between Toyonaka and Ikeda cities. This airport is a good place to start or end your trip in Japan. Many people use this airport to fly to cities like Tokyo and Fukuoka. It is easy to get to the airport by monorail or airport bus. It takes about 3 minutes to travel from Umeda, which is the main station in Osaka. The airport building has many shops and restaurants that offer local food. There are also souvenir shops where you can buy gifts. The airport was renovated recently, so everything is clean and modern. There is a rooftop deck that is called La Sola. It's a great place to watch airplanes take off and land. Near the airport, you can visit a big green park which is called Itami Sky Park. It's a fun place to walk and relax, especially for families with children. Itami Airport is a small but comfortable airport that is easy to use. It's a great place to enjoy your first or last moment in Osaka. It's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.